Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix CarPlay not working after iOS 17 update. So first of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have turn on Siri. The Apple CarPlay feature tends to malfunctions if Siri is disabled, especially if you are using voice commands for CarPlay. Follow these steps to check and make sure Siri is turned on. So you have open the settings, scroll up, then you have click on Siri and search turn on listen for Siri, press home for Siri. Two options turn on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have check CarPlay restrictions. It is not impossible for some settings to be changed by default after iOS update. If your iPhone is not detected by CarPlay, you should check if the CarPlay is restricted. You can do this by following these steps. Open the setting, click on screen time, scroll up. Then you click on contents, privacy restrictions, click on alert app. So CarPlay is turned on from here. Then you have check CarPlay restrictions, these steps. Then third solution, you have disable airplane mode. If you have wireless connection to CarPlay Store, you should make sure that both Wi-Fi are enabled. Also make sure your iPhone is not airplane mode. Airplane mode will prevent your iPhone from making any wireless connection. Simply to go to setting, disable and enable the airplane mode from here. It is turned off and you can try to turn it on and off again. Then fourth solution, try different USB cables, ports, and Apple CarPlay stops working issue might be a result of your iPhone not being running. Your iPhone vehicles off and then back on can help to clear minor errors and glitches on device to restart your iPhone. Then fifth solution, restart your iPhone. Turning your iPhone and vehicles off and then you have back on can help to clear minor errors and glitches on device to restart your iPhone. USB cables are perfectly properly connected ensures might be the USB cable or port is faculty. Then sixth solution, you have reset all setting. If every other step has failed to resolve the car play issue, you can use this is a method last resort. It should only be used if every other option fails because you will have recognize your device afterwards. Open the setting, click on central, scroll up, then you click on transfer reset, click reset all setting. iPhone given a password, then you enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting, then your problem will be fixed and 100% verified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.